Welcome everybody to another episode of the Happy Hour. My name is Desain and let's get it started. As you can see, we are outside. Damn crows. Alright, we are outside and we are doing something different, you guys. We always do something a little innovative every time we come out. So me and the boys, we come up with a plan that I'd like to show you guys. And there's some money prize also involved. This kind of like a challenge. I've named this game the Money Roll. Alright guys, there are different segments to the game itself, like I told you. So like I mentioned, this is the money roll. So this line would consist of just 20 bucks. This section would, if your bottle lands on this section, this would cost you 50. This is kind of like, this gets harder right now. This would cost you 100 bucks, and the last one is 500. And if you land it over here, hope not, that is 2,000 bucks. So now you get to see the idea, like so this is the money roll. We have a bottle, a pint bottle. So we just roll the bottle and then we get to a point in the table. That's how it is, you guys. Alright guys, so now I've got the bottle of pint. So this is Bro Seltzer, which I actually, from my last video, I just covered. So now, as you can see, the money is laid on the table and I want to show you guys how it's actually done. So now the first thing is, hold the bottle, you have it right here. So this is called the money roll, you guys, because you get to land on certain aspects of the table where you can actually make money. So if I just roll the bottle, so this actually goes to one of the locations and it comes. So now the fun part is, so now this section is of 20 rupees, so I have got 20 bucks in the account. So now you will be wondering, what if the bottle goes out? Nope. Or maybe what if the bottle goes this side or that side or over the table or maybe something like that. So for that, you have two choices now. Either you can take a shot of vodka or we'll hit you with the bottle straight up. That's it. So this is called the money roll, guys. Let's go, let's get it done. Alright guys, we are in the money roll game. So now for the first, I'd like to introduce the first contestant. His name is Ankit, and we're going to start the money roll. I'm going to hand over the seltzer bottle and let's see where he can land on the table. So now, let the money roll, you guys. Too bad, I'll tell you. He's got a choice now, either to take a shot of vodka or get hit in the bottle. So which one would you choose? Shot of vodka. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the shot of vodka. Alright guys, since his bottle rolled out of the table itself, so he's chosen, between the two, he's chosen an option to go have a shot of vodka. So we have no courtesy, but yeah, we have oxygen, which I paid for my own money. So we're gonna pour a bottle of vodka first. Now, let me just pour a shot of vodka. Alright, so that's what you get for missing the fucking tables. Alright guys, so we have finished the first contestant with Ankit. So now we are coming back to the second one. His name is Karthik. So he's gonna roll the freaking bottle now on the table. So here he goes, you guys. Let's see what he's got and what kind of money he earns in this. He's gonna make his first move. Alright, he's just going. Alright, oh my god, okay. It's gone to all the way to 500 and all the way back. Oh shit, alright. So now, I'm giving Karthik an option. Whether to choose vodka, a shot of vodka, or hit in the bottle. Simple as that. So what do you choose, my man?
A shot of vodka.
So he's going for the shot of vodka, so I'm going to pull up a vodka bottle again. So now you know what's going to happen, you guys. The shot of vodka, you guys. This is what you get when you don't win money. You get drunk with my videos. Alright guys, come on, let's go. One shot of vodka coming up. That's how one shot of vodka goes, you guys. So if you have seen my videos, you need to like and subscribe to more content just like this. Alright guys, that's it for Karthik. He didn't make any money, so he's going for the shot. Now let's go to the next contestant. Alright guys, now we have come to the third contestant who's going to play the money roll. His name is Prithvi. So we now going to make the money roll, you guys. Let's see where he lands. Now he's got a choice. He's in the starting line, you guys. That's the money roll, boy. Alright, it's going all the way. Alright, it's going all the way. Oh my god, it's coming all 500, 100. Oh. Is it going to make 100? No, it's still rolling. It's going 20. It's coming back. So here's the deal. He went all the way to 500, 200, 250, 220, and all the way back to him. So now I'm giving him a choice. a shot of vodka or get hit in the head with a bottle.
Shot of vodka.
He chooses a shot of vodka, so let me just grab my shot of vodka. Alright, let's pour. Shot of vodka. Alright guys, we finished the first round, but I have to play this game, right? So I'm gonna also try it out and let's see what happens there. Alright guys, see, I want to play this game, I want to make some money, but my boys are like losing. I want to show these guys how it's actually done to make some money, you guys. So I'm up next, so I'm just gonna see how my luck favors me. Alright. I don't mind at this point that I'm even winning money because because I know that it's gonna land on 50 bucks. So my boys at this point, they have all had a shot of vodka. I'm the only one who made money. I've got 50 bucks, you guys. This is the money roll, you guys. At the end of the first round, I am with 50 bucks. Ankit had a shot of vodka, Karthik with a shot of vodka, he's with a shot of vodka. So none of these boys make some money. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to round 2. So round 2 is a little bit different. We have another bottle, but it's not the bottle which we have here, a bigger bottle compared to this one. Let's go to the second round, you guys. We'll see you there. Alright guys, we at the second round, since my boys failed miserably in the first and they already had a shot of vodka, so what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna up the ante and we have a bigger bottle. Now this is pretty much empty. The reason I chose this empty bottle is because this just goes. When I say it goes, it literally goes. So now, as you know the characters who was there in this, so now we're gonna give the bottle to Ankit. So let's see how he does, or does he end up flawlessly. So he's gonna kiss the bottle. Oh my god, just kissing bottles, Let's the money roll, you guys. Let's see where he lands. Alright, it's going, it's alright. So now it's in the easy stage. It's at 50 bucks, it's not anything much. So he's got 50 bucks in his account, so he got to choose. So this is how the play of the game is pretty simple, guys. So next, now I'm gonna give it up to. Alright guys, now we have Karthik on the dice and just trying to do it. Last time he didn't win anything, he just got a shot of vodka. Let's see how it goes. Let the money roll, my boy. He just rolled it all too quickly. I don't know where it's gonna land. It's gonna. So now he's got a choice to get hit by the bottle or have a shot of vodka. Which one is vodka again? So he goes for vodka. Oxygen, you guys. Pretty good shit. Let's go for round 2, you guys. He's gonna go. That's what you. Either you win money in my channel or you get drunk.
Nope.
Either of the two. Alright. That was Karthik, guys. Let's go to the next contestant. Alright, the third contestant is Prithvi, and we want to see. The last time he failed miserably and he didn't win any money, so let's see how it favors him. Now, so he's just gonna roll. Alright. So now you guys will choose again. Because he failed miserably. See, I'm making you guys win some money. You guys are not doing a pretty good job of getting it. Alright, now we're gonna try. What do you want, bro?
I choose vodka.
Vodka. This kind of. It's gonna be next level, you guys. Alright, vodka. Let's go. Alright, that was a shot of vodka. So he's up for it. So last contestant is me. Let's see how I do it. Yeah. Alright. This is a bottle. Alright. Let me just make the money roll, you guys. That's all. I'm not gonna be like those guys who don't just has vodka. It's just 20 bucks. There was a plot twist, you guys. This bottle is pretty hard to roll. So yeah, I had a choice. Between the two. Yeah. Between the vodka and the bottle.
This is our turn.
Yeah. I like to have vodka, so fuck it. Let me just have a shot of vodka.
Yeah, bro. Come on.
All stunts are performed by professionals. Please don't try this at home. Wow. Some good vodka, you guys. Alright, guys, so now we finished 2 rounds, and at the 2 rounds, the only people who made money is Ankit and myself. He's got 50 bucks. So this 50 bucks I'm gonna, a legitimate Gandhiji, you guys. I'm gonna give him the 50 bucks. I have won 70 bucks. It doesn't actually matter because I'm the one who organized. I feel pity for these guys because they haven't won money, but they're going home drunk. I'm gonna drop them, you guys. Don't worry, they live close by. I'm gonna don't drink and drive. Drive safely, you guys. Until we meet next time, I hope this was fun. I really wanted to make something new, guys. Now, pretty much nice content we make almost every week, and it takes time to make all this content. Of course, yes, we are going to try to do everything on a regular basis. We have tried with everything, with the oxygen vodka, with everything. I forgot to mention, what if you don't want the vodka? So, as simple as this. This is a bottle of water. We just hit you in the head. That's it. I'm pretty surprised nobody chose it. But then, yeah, vodka is much better than having hit in the head. Until next time, you guys. Peace out, you guys. And I'm a boy saying peace out.
Yeah,
Everybody,
bye-bye.
until we meet next time, you guys. Peace out.